Hey you guys, this is Jacqueline Sierra with the Joe Taylor Group at Real Brokerage. Today I'm standing in this gorgeous property. It is located in West Flamingo and Fort Apache. This house is at the Foothill subdivision and it's under 3,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So let's check it out. Let's take a tour. So as you can see, there's high ceilings. It's bolted. The flooring is tile. Fabulous flooring that they picked out. This house has so many upgrades, you guys. As you can tell, you have the bar area. Who doesn't love a wine fridge to keep those drinks cool? Come on through, right over here. Brand new kitchen, quartz countertops. This has been newly redone. You have stainless steel appliances that have been put in. Gorgeous dishwasher, that is a dual. You have a beautiful modern stovetop. This house is everything that you could ask for. Beautiful LED lighting to highlight the countertops. And they even put in this cool little gadget here. You can go ahead and plug in your USB ports. It makes it accessible. All you need to do, click it down and it's gone. This house has such a great open floor plan for entertaining. Very simple and modernized. All right, you guys, let's check out the primary bedroom. Who doesn't love a huge primary bedroom? You have French doors that has been newly installed that leads out into the gorgeous backyard where you can have all of your entertaining enjoyments. So let's check out the primary bathroom. Dual sinks, extra space. Come on, ladies, we all love extra space. Tub to soak in on those late nights. All right, you guys, check out this wraparound staircase. Who wouldn't love to come down or come in to the front doors and this grand entrance? Who doesn't like a great loft? Look at this. It's absolutely amazing. So the great thing about this loft, it connects to the 3 bedrooms that's shared with the 1 bathroom. So let's check it out. So let's check out the backyard. This backyard has been newly renovated and it sits on a pool-sized lot. If you guys would like more information on this gorgeous stunning home, please let me know. This house is again located in 9501 Catalina Cove. You can reach me directly at 702-241-7679 or my email contact at jsierrarealty.com. I'm your girl, let me know.